In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a budget in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Company up top, then you want to hover over Planning and Budgeting, and from here, you want to click on Setup Budgets. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to open up your current budget. Of course, you can create a new one, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now, but you can still use this one over here to actually modify it. So, if you want to copy it over, for example, you could just go and click on any of these, and you can just click on Copy Across, like that, and it's gonna copy across to the next month as well. You can then save it and you're good to go. Okay, of course these things can be changed as well. You can change whatever, and that way you can then of course kind of modify your budget. If you want to create a new one, go to the top right, click on Create New Budget, and I'm going to click on Yes, I want to, and then over here of course you have to select the year. I'm going to do 2027, and this is going to be a P&L or profit and loss budget. So I'm going to click on Next. And from here, you can of course add additional criteria. I'm just gonna click on that and click on next. And then you can either create one from complete scratch, or you could go and create a budget based on a previous year's actual data. So of course you can do whatever. I'm just gonna select this one to actually create it before or from previous year. So I'm gonna click on finish. And there we go, it's going to create a budget over here, and as you can see, you can then modify it, you can change it, and this is now for 2027. You can change things, you can change the numbers over here, you could change pretty much whatever you want, and that way create it like your own. Okay, so that's the best way to create a budget. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.